Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Banner 137. So this is a connection error, and here are a few methods you can try to fix the issue. The first one being you simply go to Task Manager and then type in write client, and you close out the write client and then relaunch it again and then try the game again. If the issue persists, you want to try if your internet is stable. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you want to switch to Ethernet. If you're unable because your place has only Wi-Fi, you could try using your phone's hotspot as a stable connection and then seeing if that fixes the issue. If that fixes the issue, then your ISP is a problem, so you gotta either call your landlord or whoever, or just call your ISP and try to resolve the issue. So the next thing you want to do is head over to add or remove programs, and you want to delete Pirate Vanguard. You uninstall it. After you uninstall it, you want to do the same with Valorant. After you uninstall both, you relaunch the right client. After the client loads, you go to Valorant and you simply click here. It will say install, and you install the game, and then you install the Vanguard and then try playing the game again. Now, if that doesn't help, here are a few more methods you can do. Go to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall. After you enter it, click allow an app or feature through Defender Firewall, click change settings, click allow another app, click browse, and you want to go to local disk C, program files, scroll down till you find right Vanguard, double click on VGC, Vanguard user mode, and click add. I already have it, but for you it will add it. As you can see, it's here, and then make sure it's ticked for both private and public. And you want to do the same for Riot client. You go to local disk C, then you go to Riot Games client, and then add the client. And you want to do the same for Valorant, but it's a slightly different path. So Riot Games, Valorant live shooter game binaries, Windows 64, and then Valorant Windows 64 shipping, and then click add. After add it, you make sure that both are ticked for public and private, and you close this, and you want to restart your PC and then see if that helps. Now there's the last ditch effort. Hopefully this helped. This is like the holy grail. You go to search, type in run. Once you open run, type in this services.msc. After you type in that, click OK. It will open a new window. Click somewhere here once. Press V on your keyboard. Then we find VGC. Double click on it. Here it will say manual. You want to switch it to automatic, not delayed start, just automatic. Click apply. Click start, and then click OK. If it doesn't start, just restart your PC, and then it should automatically be set. And after you do that, you want to go to search one more time, click system configuration, go to services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll down till you find VGC. It should say here either running or stopped. If it says disabled, then you have to enable it. And one more time, you restart your PC and the game should fully work without issues. If that somehow didn't help, the last ditch effort you can try is sending a ticket to Riot support, and hopefully they'll be able to assist you and fix your issue forever. But that's it for this video. That's how you fix Banner 137. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.